Welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD, guys. Yesterday we were buying this, we hit a target, as you can see, guys. So the question remains, what are we going to do today? So, guys, let's start from the 4H. We've had a bullish breakout, just like the euro. While keeping that in mind, guys, as long as the price stays above 1.33 1.33345, we would still be bullish, guys. So my analysis for today, guys, as long as the price stays above 1.33595, we are bullish, guys. We will be seeing the recent high soon, which is 1.33930. And if you break below this, guys, we are still bullish, sorry. But we are just aiming for a deeper correction to happen. It could end here as well, or it could end here to the lower side. So be careful about that, guys. Hoping you guys make a lot of money. Wishing you guys the best of luck and see you guys next week. Tomorrow, sorry.